Peace. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano, and I'm going to show you how to set up your Bluetooth remote controller to pair with your device using Call of Duty Mobile. So the first thing you want to do is turn on your Bluetooth remote controller, and then what you want to do is pair it with your device. So go to Bluetooth right here, then go to pair a new device. Then you're going to wait for that Bluetooth controller to sync up with your device. So now it says that it's pairing, and then you can see that it's now connected. So then we're going to go back and we're going to go into this right here. So take a screenshot of this right here with your phone, because we're going to do the step-by-step instructions on how to do this. So just copy this on your phone real quick, and then just click the link real quick, and then we're going to go ahead and we're going to open it. And then once we're inside of here, then we're going to go ahead and download this application. So wait 1 second. It's loading right now. All right, here it is. So now you can see it's in English too. So we'll just wait for that. And then now it's in English. So I didn't see that actually. Okay, here it is. Allow. So then once it downloads, then you can see it's loading. Okay, so I had to click this. You have to click that, and then it starts to download. See, it's downloaded now. So you hit open, then you open, go to settings. It's gonna ask you to, like allow it, go back, then install it. You can see this is the gamepad that we need to use this gamepad remote with this device. So we're gonna go ahead and open it. All right, so let's go next, continue. Hand side, just hit settings and then hit custom layout. So after you hit that, you're gonna see that you have a running stick right here, and then you have a trigger, and then you have a knife here. You're gonna need to click this button, then click the third one down, then click the second one across right here, and now you're going to see that you already have one of the buttons, which is the left joystick. What you're gonna want to do is expand that right here to stretch out to where the guy is running. So once that touches that where the guy is running, then you don't have to worry about that button anymore. Just hit this button right here, and now it's going to create a second button right here. So now you have the one where he's running, and now you have the right controller button, which is going to be this joystick. Okay, so now that we have those two buttons laid out, guys, now the rest is pretty much easy. We have this one, which is the left, and we have this one, which is the right. Now we need to hit this button to access A, which is going to be squat. Then use this one to access B, and then use this one to access our remote. So I like to do these ones with the directional pads. Down, hit this, and then we're going to use left, and this one is going to be right. And then we're going to use reload as well, which is going to be right here. And for reload, we can use the top trigger right there, left button, the top left button. And then for aim, we're going to use the right top button. And then for shoot, we're going to use the right joystick right there. And then for shoot on this side, we can also use the left joystick as well. So that pretty much maps out all the buttons that I want to show you right now. Let's hit confirm. Let's hit OK. And then let's hit the X mark. And hopefully when we play the game and confirm, which I'm going to go ahead and do right now, we'll be all set. Alright guys, so this is the first time I've set it up. Let me just see if it's going to actually work, which I don't think it will, because it doesn't look like it's actually set up properly, guys.
Changing mag, cover me! Reloading, cover me! Tied in the lead. Lost the lead. It's too close, fight harder.
Everything is good except for the right turning. I have to switch the sensitivity on the turning. Oh wait, it's actually good. Alright, so everything seems to be working perfectly fine. Everything seems to be perfectly mapped the way I just did it. So everything is perfect, guys. Now there is a slight issue with my right joystick. I forgot. But everything else is working perfectly fine, guys. So I'm doing pretty good with the controller right now. Everything seems to be working out really smooth. I'm not having any issues whatsoever, except for the fact that my right joystick is a little bit sticky.
Get down, sniper! Recon standing by. Repeat, UAV recon is standing by. Reloading, cover me!
Okay, I just got a little brave there, but yeah, I'm really enjoying this joystick so far. Playing it with the Call of Duty Mobile after I just paired it up to my device. Now it is a little bit sticky, I can't lie, on the right joystick, but it's still working perfectly fine and I'm not having any issues whatsoever. Oh, I could have stabbed him right there, but it is what it is. Let's keep continuing till we get to the final. Let me just see if I could mess around with the sensitivity real quick. And we're gonna go into sensitivity right here. And I think I put that a little bit too far up. Sometimes less is more.
We're almost there. Keep it up.
All right, so that should be good. And then just go back. All right, cool.
Reloading.
Got him. I got the final kill right there. All right, guys. So that was the how you would pair the trigger step by step. Had the Bluetooth joypad for the Call of Duty mobile. I hope you guys found this video helpful in any way possible. If you did, make sure you hit the like button on your way out. But it's your boy Serrano, and as always, thank you guys for staying locked in with me. I appreciate you guys 100%. Let's just take a look at the statistics here and see how well I did. Oh, I got the top score. I was the MVP. So that's definitely sick. That's definitely sick. Let's see how many kills we got with the joypad as well. I'm just gonna hit this button.
Nice work. Well done.
And it says that we're at level 3 now. I just started with this joystick just now. And let's see. Next. Alright, cool. But thank you guys for staying locked in with me. It's your boy Serrano. Make sure you stay locked in for more videos just like this. And in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening, and depending where you are, have a great night. Later, crew. Peace.